Hello, let's go ahead and figure out how to download the Canvas student app. That way you can use it for your class, considering that you will probably have additional Canvas assignments to complete. Here are some video instructions on how to do so. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open up our App Store on our iPhone and we're going to type in Canvas Student. Once we do that, it's going to come up and we're going to click on Get, and we're going to go ahead and double click to install. Either enter your password or use your face, and it will go ahead and download for us. Once the app has downloaded, we're going to go ahead and we'll click that open, and it's going to open like so. And we're going to click on Find My School, and we're going to type in Glendale Community College. Once we type that in, you'll see that options come up, and we're going to select the first one. Once we've done that, we'll use our student ID, our MEID, and our credentials to log in. You can choose whether you want to have notifications or not. And there you have access to all of your courses. All you need to do is to click on them to open them up. Hope this helps.